When I was in school, I had always dreamt of studying abroad, the foreign campus life, living in a country by yourself, living alone, making friends, partying, and all I ever wanted to do was to study abroad right after I completed my school. But when it was finally time to start thinking about higher education options, I realized I was living in a bubble. You can't just decide that you want to study abroad and pack your bags and go there. It's not a vacation. Well, there's a lot of research, money, and effort that goes into studying abroad after 12. So, if you are someone who has similar interests, then this video might come in handy. I wish I also had a platform like Leverage Edu to help me with the same. Chalo, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Sabse pehle, you need to do the basics. What, where, and when. What as in what will you study, where will you study, and when do you start your studies. Begin researching course, university, and country options. Just a heads up, when you start researching, you will feel like there's an information overload. Every option, every country seems attractive at first, but you will need to shortlist the best options for yourself. Think about your finances, career goals, job prospects, and personal preferences. If you still feel confused and overwhelmed by the digital overload, talk to our experts at Leverage Edu. We're always happy to help you. Next, get a passport made. Sit for English proficiency tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or other exams, and be aware of how to write essays for scholarships and applications. While you're still at it, do yourself a favor by getting letters of recommendations from your teachers or employer if you've been interning somewhere after school. Once you've decided on schools and courses, it's time to send in your applications. We've already mentioned about important documents required while applying to various schools. Now, your job is done. The applications committee will review and assess your application and give a decision. You must always apply to multiple universities, as some may reject your profile or may take longer to get back to you. And you should have a safety net to fall back on. While all of this is happening, you must start arranging your finances. If you have the money required to study abroad, then you can skip the loan part. But if that is something that you need, contact our experts at Fly Finance. They will help you with all your education financial needs, loans, international money transfers, and more. बस अब और क्या? जैसे ही offer letter मिले, fees pay करो, accommodation or flight tickets arrange करो, and go make your dream come true. I understand that studying abroad isn't that easy, but at least make the first move and explore your study abroad options. Our experts are here to guide you through the process. Call us at the toll-free number now and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.